guys, so it's definitely the next day. I didn't have enough time to unravel the hair yesterday, so I decided to do it this morning. So I'm just done unraveling my hair, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to the salon now. I am super nervous. I'm very nervous. I don't know why. This is something that I really want, but I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I feel like I'm disappointing my hair, but I'm excited at the same time. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be heading to the salon now. I'll take you guys with me, so yeah, let's go.
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz, and if you are returning, welcome back home, darling. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. So guys, as you can see by the title of this video, I finally decided to go ahead and relax my hair. I've been natural for 3 years now, since the big chop. So as you guys can see, at the beginning of this video, I showed you guys like almost a year ago when I actually decided to go ahead and relax my hair, but I was a little bit nervous. Therefore, I decided to give my hair another chance. You know, after a few months, I was like, no, I cannot go on like this. Let me just go ahead and relax it. So the main reason why I actually decided to relax my hair is simply because my life became super busy. Like, I became very busy, whereby I did not have time to, you know, to take care of my natural hair anymore, because I know that natural hair requires a certain level of maintenance to keep it flourishing, you know, to keep it looking beautiful, to keep it healthy. But for me, I just did not have time to, you know, to take care of my hair like that. And because of that, I started experiencing some breakages, and I felt like my hair was not growing anymore because I was no longer taking care of it the way I used to. So therefore, I decided to just go ahead and relax it. No hard feelings, you guys, no hard feelings. This is just hair, you know. You can relax it, you can cut it, you know, you can leave it natural, you can do big chop if you want to. It's just hair, there's no hard feelings at all. I decided to go ahead and use the Minzani relaxer. So this is the brand that I decided to go for because I love Minzani, and I believe it is one of the best relaxer that I can use. One of the best relaxer for me. I believe in it. So this is why I actually decided to go for it. And also, what I love about Minzani is the fact that they have a step-by-step when it comes to relaxing your hair. So the first product you saw at the beginning of this video was actually a butter base. So this product is used to base your scalp. So what they did before they started applying the relaxer, they went ahead and applied the butter base first. Also, I just want to mention that I did not experience any burning or tingling feeling from the relaxer at all. In fact, I sat down for a few minutes after the relaxer was fully applied on my hair before they actually washed it, and I did not feel any pain. I did not feel any you know, any burning and all of that stuff like some of the relaxers that I've used in the past. You guys, I've had a very bad experience when it comes to relaxers. My scalp is super sensitive, and I always get burns when I use other relaxers. But when it comes to Minzani, this is one of the best products that I can actually recommend because it works very well on my sensitive scalp. And by the way, you guys, I relaxed my hair at Afro Corner Hair Salon. They are based in Cape Town. This is the only salon that I could find in Cape Town, and this is like the only salon that has Minzani products. I'm not sure if there are any other salons, but I did my research and I was only able to find the salon, like I said, in Cape Town. So yeah, the lady was super friendly throughout the entire time when she was relaxing my hair. She kept on asking me if I was okay, if I was feeling any, you know, tingling, any burns and stuff like that. I was okay. I kept on telling I'm okay. There was no pain, there was no burning, there was nothing at all. I was just okay. My scalp was fine until I went to wash my hair. So right now the lady is just washing my hair. As you guys can see, she is being very soft with the way she's washing my hair. I was actually feeling like I want to sleep because this feeling right here is very good. And before she used the shampoo, she told me that what they normally do is they actually use the conditioner before they go in with the shampoo, which was a little bit weird for me. But anyways, she explained that this is how they use Mizani products. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you use Mizani product and if this is what your salon ladies do. But anyways, she explained that they always go first with the conditioner, and then after that they go in with the shampoo. So absolutely love the feeling right here. And the head massage, you guys, I could come to the salon every day just to get this beautiful nice massage. Like I actually felt like sleeping. So it was a very good experience, good feeling. Absolutely love the atmosphere at this salon, and I'll definitely be going back there. So right now I'm done washing my hair, and the lady is just busy hair drying my hair, and she'll go ahead and apply a Mizani product, which she'll show you in this video, as well as the silicone that she applied on my hair. So everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I'll let you guys continue watching the video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Let me know what you think of my hair in the comment section down below, or if you have any other questions. So yeah guys,
do you feel the same way? Maybe